By far, it has been 7 years since the foundation stone of this magnificent college was laid. This 14th day of August is special because it is what has given an identity of being student and associates of the only fisheries college in the state Jharkhand. Kudos to us all who have been part of this beautiful organization. Today we are going to recall all the nostalgia. Today we are going to make you count. Today we will force you to ponder what the past was and what the present of this only fisheries college of Jharkhand has achieved over the years. Our college has made significant strides in fish breeding. We successfully bred various ornamental fish species including angelfish, oscar, tetra, goldfish, koi carp and parrotfish. These breeding programs are managed by our dedicated students under the expert guidance of Dr. K.S. Wisdom. Innovation in integrated fish farming is another feather in our cap. Our Fish-cum-Duck integrated farming project is thriving. We have stocked 43 khaki Campbell ducks which have grown impressively from an initial weight of 400 grams to 1.3 kilograms in just over 2 months. Our well-developed library is a treasure trove of knowledge, housing over 3,000 books, including 100 handbooks on fisheries and aquaculture. This resource-rich environment supports our students and faculty in all their academic pursuits. To keep the pace with technological advancement, our computer lab is equipped with 30 latest processor computers, including i5 and i7 models, providing our students with the tools they need to excel in the digital age. We boost 7 departments, each equipped with 7 separate labs, all furnished with state-of-the-art facilities. Our central lab is particularly noteworthy, featuring advanced equipments such as an automated moisture analyzer, microtome, Geldal apparatus, Soxhlet apparatus, and more. Our FPT lab, generously equipped by ICAR SIFT, Kochi, includes scaling machine, meat mincers, and the training chows refrigerator. Under the guidance of Dr. Kasturi Chattopadhyay, students prepare a variety of fish products like fish pickle, fish momos, fish samosa, fish cutlet, and many more.
We have 7 biofloc units, each with a capacity of 10,000 liters, provided by the Department of Fisheries, Jharkhand. These units are used to culture hardy species like tilapia and pangasius, contributing to our particular training and research. Our weather station is a critical asset capable of measuring various parameters such as temperature, humidity, wind direction, soil temperature, rainfall and wind speed. These facilities supports our research and enhances our understanding of environmental conditions. Thanks to the NCTC, we have a beautiful aquarium. This addition enhances the aesthetic and educational value of our college. We are proud to be an eco-friendly institution with 2 solar power plants of 50 kilowatts each. Those plants ensure 24/7 electricity supply, demonstrating our commitment to sustainability and promoting the national solar mission. At the end of each year, we celebrate our annual sports function. Students are divided into 3 groups: Gangetic Dolphin, Killer Whale and White Shark. Last year, the White Sharks emerged as the victors, showcasing the sportsmanship spirit of our students. The college had organized a very successful sports day in very limited resources under the guidance of Dr. Gulshan Kumar. As we celebrate our Foundation Day, we reflect on our journey with pride and look forward for a future filled with more achievements and innovations. Thank you for being a part of this special day. Together, we continue to strive for excellence in the field of fisheries science. Happy Foundation Day to the Corps Kumla.